What's up everybody, it's your boy here, Joshua C. So if you guys have been following us recently, we've been unboxing a couple of Realme smartphone series, and today I'm going to unbox yet another smartphone from Realme, which is the Realme X3 Super Zoom. So what's the difference between all the other recent Realme smartphones? Let me show you. First off, by looking at the name, you probably already guessed it. This is a camera-centric smartphone that will bring you up to 60 times of hybrid zoom. But before getting there, let's talk about the design first. The Realme X3 Super Zoom comes with two color variants, the Glacier Blue and the one we're having here, the Arctic White. And normally, despite of the color difference, the surface build of the phones are still the same, but that's not the case here because both colors are having different build material. For the Glacier Blue, it comes with the reflective glossy glass surface, whereas the Arctic White brings it to a whole new level because it uses the AG process technology with 6 procedures light coatings in order to achieve this stunning glossy matte snowy white surface on the back. And the best part is, there's no fingerprint stain on it. Coming to the front, it has a 6.6-inch 20:9 Full HD plus 120Hz refresh rate IPS LCD display with up to 480 nits of peak brightness and protected through the Gorilla Glass 5. Display colors on the screen are quite vibrant with the default vivid mode, and if that's not enough for you, it also has an Aussie vision effect for you to boost the clarity and color contrast of the display when you're watching a movie. The smoothness of this phone is sweet. True, although you can't really see the difference here, but once you've experienced the 120Hz display, you never get out of it. And speaking about enjoying movies on this phone, the sound quality is loud and crisp as the 1216 super linear speaker on the bottom supports Dolby Atmos and high-res audio. So listen to it for yourself. On the side, you have the side-mounted fingerprint sensor which unlocks your phone in 0.3 seconds and also the NFC feature as well. Now, time for the highlight of this phone, the cameras. The Realme X3 Super Zoom sports an eagle-eye quad camera setup on the rear with 64MP main camera, 8MP 115 degrees wide-angle camera, 2MP macro lens and an 8MP 5x optical zoom telephoto lens that allows you to go up to 60 times of hybrid zoom with the combination of the 64MP main camera. So with that combination, the camera will fully optimize through hardware and software as a result of getting a smoother zooming experience and a clearer 60 times hybrid zoom pictures. Furthermore, Realme also claims that it can take clear pictures of the buildings within 15 kilometers. So remember to close your curtains while you're changing in your room because anyone can be a spy with it. Aside from the stunning zoom capabilities, the Realme X3 Super Zoom also comes with the Nightscape 4.0, comprising the Auto AI mode, Nightscape, Ultra Nightscape, Tripod mode, or if you're more on the manual kind of guy, you can use the Nightscape Pro mode to set your own camera settings. And not to mention, this time it also has added the stunning Starry Mode, which allows you to capture a professional Milky Way shot with just your phone. Wait, how does it work? Let me explain. The Starry Mode combines both 64MP main camera and the 8MP telephoto lens to lock down the focus on the fast card. Then it will take more than 10 ultra long exposure photos for more than 4 minutes and uses the multi-frame synthesis to process the images into one professional starry Milky Way shot that you wanted. So if you're a Milky Way explorer, this is probably the best tool for you to bring along. And for your information, the Nightscape is also available for the dual front selfie camera with the Sony IMX 616 32MP main selfie camera and the 8MP 105 degrees wide angle camera on the front. You can now capture 2 different dynamic selfies as well as a brighter night selfie in a dark room. The Realme X3 Super Zoom runs on the Realme UI based on Android 10 that comes in with the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.0 storage. So with that, the processing speed is 25% faster than the Realme X2. Battery wise, it comes with a 4200mAh battery with 30W of dark charging that allows you to charge from 0 to 100% in just 55 minutes. So overall, at a price of 2,299 ringgit, it is a pretty outstanding smartphone to me with the stunning 60 times hybrid zoom and the Starry Mode that can capture the Milky Way. But there's still one dislike I would like to give is the pill-shaped cutout on the display, which will distract you while watching videos, and also the mono speaker. So that's all for today. Do remember to like and smash the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Catch our latest gadget reviews. I'm Joshua C. See you next time.